In this video, I'm gonna teach a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Chat in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So from here, you need to navigate to the Windows search bar here and type for Google Chat. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result where you can see this one. All you need to do is you need to click on it. Okay? So in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chat. Okay, all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you. Okay, and once it's here, please navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots like this. All you need to do is you need to click on it and you need to scroll down, locate your cursor to cast, saved, and share. Okay, so here at the cast, saved, and share, at the left side of that, you can see there install page as an application. In my case, I don't have such because I have already installed it in my Windows. But if you, in your case, if not, then you need to proceed with install page as an app. And a small window would ask you to confirm. Just click on install, and in that way, you would be able to install that. Okay. Once done, you can also create a shortcut with it by typing chat here at the bottom search bar. Just type for it and kindly wait until a best match should appear, which is this one. Just make a right click, okay, and go with this open file location. So for here, the location where it is being placed to or saved to, all you need to do is you need to make a right click once again, go with this copy icon. Once you have copied it, close the window, make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, you have successfully created a Google shortcut for Google Chat here as well. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.